Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be introducing my watercolor cherry blossom wedding collection. In this collection that's perfect for your spring or summer wedding, we have available your invitation, RSVP card, enclosure card, wedding programs, menus, table numbers, round stickers, um, favor tags, envelope liners, address labels, and belly bands. To edit any of the items in this invitation, each step for each item is the same. So let's just go ahead and click on the invitation. To begin editing, click on the Personalize this design. A pop-up will come up with all the text that is editable. Erase the pre-filled text and replace it with your own. Once you're finished personalizing your invitation, you can now begin to customize it. To customize the invitation, click the Edit Using Design Tool button. This will bring you to the designer page. Here you can change the things like the font types, the colors, the sizes. You can add additional elements and text. You can change the background color, whatever you want to do. We're going to start by changing some of the font colors. Now I know I want to use a darker background for this, so I'm going to click on the first text box, select color over on the right hand side, and I'm going to change it to white. I'm going to do that for all of the black text because like I said, I do want to change the background to a darker color, and it's just easier to do it now. Now for the two names here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the text, and then I'm going to change the color over in the color section, but I'm going to use the eyedropper tool. I'm going to move over in the design itself and select this very light pink color. Now you see it did not change. What I need to do now is I need to move down the screen a little to where it says text stroke. Click the color box there, then move down and select the color again. We'll do that for the second name as well. Now let's change the background color. To do that, we need to go over to the we need to go to the left-hand side of the screen and click background. Here we can use any of the pre-filled colors, or we can select our own by clicking the plus sign and moving over to our desired color. To change the back of the invitation, click on the little tiny box here underneath the undo button that says front. That is going to take us to our layers panel. Then in the layers panel, select the word back, then change the background to that first color, the color we just chose for the front. Once you're done, click the Done button up at the top right-hand side of your screen. A pop-up may likely appear that says, would you like to save your design? You can either sign in to your Zazzle account or select Maybe Later. You're back on the product page at this point. From here, you can read and verify that everything you typed in to the design is correct. And if you see an error, just click Personalize this design again. If everything is perfect, select the quantity that you need for your invitations, and then click the yellow Add to Cart button. A new pop-up will appear saying that it was added. To continue with other items in this collection, click the Close button, then scroll down your screen until you see the collection. From here, you can select any of the items that are currently shown or select more products, and that'll give you the entire collection. Just click on whichever item you need to edit and edit just like you did with the invitation. I hope that this tutorial helped you with editing your invitations with us. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to us on Zazzle. Thank you so much for watching. If you wouldn't mind taking just 1 second of your time to clicking like or subscribe to this channel, I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks again.